We're looking for the world total record to fall. We're looking for kind of all have to also be best lifter. We know where that is. We'll kind of keep you advised of what that number is. And we're also looking at possibly the highest Wilks ever in the history of the sport. So it's going to be an interesting session.
And Sandvik stands it up without any problems whatsoever. Very white. You know, we're waiting for that bar to come to a complete stop. It's very hard to adjudicate this class. Kenneth Sandvik, Finland, 345, gets it to the chest very fast and powers it off the chest. Let's see if he locks that out. And gets the start command. Quick to the chest. Quick off the chest. Well, let's see what the referees say about that. And he gets 360 kilograms to the M1 world record.
And I believe he is the record holder right now. I believe.
Trying to add some more to it. Just put it out of reach. He's been solid. Fast to the chest. Fast off the chest. Can he get the lock? Not quite by the looks of it. Doesn't look like he's able to lock that out. Came out to put those big benches on and put a number up. Get himself a total here at the World Championships. We have seen drama after drama here this afternoon with our two favourites now out of the total running. And Kenneth stands it up with ease. Gives the crowd a bit of a wave.